Check out this wire 3D printed charger holder in the shape of Elon Musk face. 3D printed charger holder is a custom made holder created using 3D printing technology to store and organize your charger and cables. It's a great way to keep your charging area tidy and prevent damage to your charger and cable. You can find various designs for 3D printed charger holder online, or you can create your own custom design to fit your specific needs. Some popular options include wall mounted holder, desk organizers, code management boxes, and travel cases. And these holders are often designed to fit specific type of chargers and cables, so be sure to check the compatibility before printing or ordering.